3 a.m. right now. I'm not joking. And yeah, I'm just picking up my stuff from the street. And yeah, I'm gonna head to competition to Tennessee. See you there. So we started the day off with Megaminx. I started off the day with a 2-minute 48, and then I got a 423, which is my PB. So now let's move on to square one, where we're gonna get, check out the south first. So yeah, that was square one. That was amazing. I got my first sub 20 in comp and 26 average, which is amazing. Now moving on to square one, round two. So I didn't make round 3, but that was the end of the day. So see you next day. So right here, I'm in the hotel right now. I'm about to go to sleep, and today was a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
2,000 years later.
So it's time for Pyraminx now, and yeah, let's go. So that was Pyraminx. I got a 10, 15, 5, 6, and DNF, which means an 11 average, and it didn't make this round 2. But now it's time for 505. So I actually only recorded 2 solves, but I got a 220, 145, 208, 158, and 2, which gave me a 202 average, which is actually a PR plus a PR single. And now it is time for Skewb round 1. So for this average, I got a 9.90, which is great because I got sub 10, but I got a 3, which is the 17th in Georgia. I'm making a video on that, reconstruction, because it's insane. Now we're doing 4x4 round 1.
About what?
So 4x4 round 1, I did make it to round 2, but I got a full sub 1 average except for DNF. Moving on to the clock. So yeah, again, I didn't take videos of some of the solve, but I got a DNF average, 33 DNF, 24, 50, not bad. Moving on to 3x3 one-handed. So yeah, that was one-handed. I got 43, 38, 40, 37, and 36. I didn't record some of them. So decent average, I would say, not amazing. And now moving on to Skewb second round. Definitely the worst Skewb average. 14 DNF, 19, 9, 12, horrible. Almost like that. With pack, and now it's time for J3, and I'm excited. So now it's time for 2x2 round 1. That was an overall decent 2x2 average. The average was a 2.61 with 5.60, 4.17, 8, 6.22, and 8.92. Now moving on to 3x6. Exciting. I still cannot believe it. I got a sub 10 in comp, which is amazing. Even at home, that's good for me. And I got a 12 average. which is honestly insane for me. So that was an insane average. Now it's time to progress to 3x3 round 2.
Se le fue. ¿Y qué te pasó?
So the average started really well, and then it just went downhill. So yeah, 14, and that was the end of the competition. So huge congrats to Max, who broke 6 world records at this competition. He's insane. And yeah, check out the videos about the 9 and the world record up above. And thanks for watching. Bye.